Osha reporter Medebae Ewianimo. Say Ghana for a woman be matem edimatem ye na say na me read the comments no na me wusumiti me say hey Ghana for Oda the credit to her crana ebi mo ma yo ma say womo emfa report ben me mamoti ase say ekowusi a wo sha ase say wono na wo kan say anas wo ye galamse a eno hunti Kennedy Japan so eyusu ya wo yusu against anas no ende ekowusi wo court wono anenimuto wo koka say eyentro na wo twato eye anaso na tese ensema Kennedy Japan so kan eyentro because ekowusi na de ensem ne ba abontima Kennedy Japan so mu ana wo kan inti wo bia wo de ensem ne ba abontins akokot and they say asema wakafa anaso eyentro a then directly it also means Kennedy Japan so our fast and make an eyentro. That is the story I did today. Oshe Kennedy Japan supporters abba sa video na say abba be dim atem wo mo be send me personal message can abbe hu say yes edimo de o ma yo ma say wo mo do Kennedy Japan na ama inti no se wo di bone kra na ye be hu say papa mo asem ebi mo can say I hate Kennedy Japan me dey me catch say Kennedy Japan ye papa meka on this channel me mamoti say Kennedy Japan ba bonten papa o ye nina na ya meka. I don't know why you are saying I hate Kennedy Japan. Now I just want to read the comments and then I'll answer some of you guys because ebi mo so asking for some more evidence. Me pese me dey etre ebi mo ba keka nsem ebimo eba keka nsem will be say apu no one can do anything to Honorable Kennedy Japan we yankwasi asem eno ne asema will be ebekan will be say let's not just jump so high into conclusion and hold on to our judgments. No one is perfect exactly and also ne asema will be ekan will be say you have to the ignorant presenter because I said this about Kennedy Japan in ye dimatem. Obi say I don't know whether you are delivering news or you are against Ken because some of us have worked even with the CNG. Echo is only doing that because Ken is exposing him and his bad work. Okay, so this person has actually brought another side of the story and also able to me and the correct. Because asem we are nipaku we can say oh daddy eko ewusi no wa sheda na wako court na wako kase eyentro because ende ekowusi ene Kennedy Japan enya ntokwa. It could be true, but as far as the record show no ekowusi ene wo hye nsem na se ena wono na ekase oye eyentro. So the way you are saying say ekowusi on Ken and aye we no ntino that means you there you still believe say the say anas he's involved in galamsey. That's what you want to believe. It is your point. We also say you this guy what about all the allegations and the land issues Ken brought up against him? I know from the beginning you are in support of anas and let me tell you this, Kennedy Japan or anas, if you support Kennedy Japan, there's nothing wrong. If Obi is supporting Anas and so there is nothing wrong with it. Ghana na nkofu mienu nya asema Obi supporting here, then yebuefu say nipa kono dabi. You need to be discerning enough to know say everyone has his choice. The way I work say you know from the beginning I am supporting Anas. No, what if I am supporting Anas? What's wrong with that? I feel say Kennedy Japan can send ya for anaso enye nekre. I mean who prove. So you want me to say oh because it's Kennedy Japan I should support Kennedy Japan? No. And I've said it time and time. Say Kennedy Japan ya papa channel we also and American. Kennedy Japan winning award na maba channel we so abeka otiankrofu school fees na maba beka. Wo ya papa bia mia na meba ebeka. And that there, Mimi Susu say, why ye bibi, as I did a car, a copium or court say, and some our kind of a intro. Me mum na oba be attacking me say me support ya nas. I be court say. Only court there send the buy no was say a intro no chato anaso. So whether I am supporting Kennedy Japan or not, It is from the court. So what is your problem? I Ghana for. Me a video be and I can say some particular people on my way must say womuko kum obi kra still they will get supporters. I don't know whether yesterday you guys listened to that particular video me bo Kennedy Japan din me bo efiaso asnega din san crofo no boni bia ebeba ewo mo hu bia no still they have staunch people who support them. So for me, I'm not bothered. I know say yes. A lot of people love Kennedy Japan, but asem there ne clear ewo baby a ye de to obi nso be di matem fa ojimi ko your friend Vida wo ba a wo di atem say okay, that's your problem. Obi nso say you don't know what you are saying. We have evidence and it's not Kennedy Japan. No sooner as Obi can say they have evidence. If you have evidence, just bring it. As far as evidence at Kennedy Japan show, you know, he just showed some water bodies beer as say, and I can say Anas ne says how water body no. How will I know say the correct Anas ne say no? And so if you have evidence of Anas say was say water body and Anas is linked to a company beer say water body na Fabra. Company na moma ya tia say Anas is linked to them no, and then the pakra was share answer na say no was say intro no chato Anas so Vida esanso by beka assembium Vida na wodi matem say fa ojimi kono osanso by beka assembium was say this boy he is definitely NDC. Every time someone talking about MPP he is happy. Now just like what I will say, if I am NDC there is nothing wrong. If you are MPP, there is nothing wrong. Seven previous and will be away Jimmy. And now, one who say what MPP nti NDC ni a na tanfo. Obi away Jimmy, and now one who say what NDC nti MPP ni a na tanfo. And then NDC ni top executive. Wa ware MP, wako ware MPP ni top communicator. It tells you say mo amujina echi who NDC who belonging to MPP and who NDC for say womo yembo sanfo no na say who Jimmy because politicians na kra no MPP ni NDC for womo wi a womo kotena say enum ti edi fufuo bom ati ase. So if you are saying say I belong to NDC, there's nothing wrong if I belong to NDC, but on record me to me abodia at the Bible, at the Bibia Sanity, I have never in my life even voted for NDC before. Me to me abodia aye Bibia, I have never in my life voted for NDC before. Ati ase, it is a woka se me NDC ni a eye wawa sem, and there's nothing wrong if me NDC ni and I me MPP ni. Absolutely, there is nothing wrong, because you don't expect someone to go with wo choice no. And no say my Vida no ebekan or say me NDC ni nti eno so no obi so e dey assembly aba was say the chairman is lying. He just wants to put Ken in trouble because he was exposing them. Everything Ken was saying is true and he got evidence to show. So what is the problem? If it's not true, Anna should come out to talk. It's true. We all seen the video. This TV station, you are a liar. And notice, if you get Ken name to talk about, you are happy. Inti asema will be eka and say chairman no ebetumi aba na say wo twantro ato Kennedy Japan so maka say yes, that is also a possibility. Ebetumi aba na say ne kre say Anas eye galamsey. And a chairman no one Ken enhu Anas e bi omo akokot. And that because Kennedy Japan ne chairman ne enya asem ninti no chairman na sheda ko twantro e wo court. It is a possibility, but the matter say as far as the videos Kennedy Japan has shown, they don't implicate Anas. It is simple common sense. It also can say yes, they have videos. Yes, Kennedy Japan showed some videos, but in that video, how are you linking that to Anas? Akoya say wo biewu na me make otwa video na wa ye from Nana Sweet na ma ba be tre say nipa ku na wewu no ni fie ni na Nana Sweet no beku no. In the video you are not in there. You are not seen in the video killing the person. But some say me the video aba of the person dead o a woda ne fie ho na me ko twa ne video na me de abasa na sweet una woku no. I mean, where is the logical reasoning in this? If Muamoka Kennedy Japan has shown proof, no, he has shown some video, but video now what you know was announced in. You will say company be SA assassin, our company no a link to announce now. You didn't say that thing in the video, but you are going with what Kennedy Japan said because it is from Kennedy Japan. It is logical reasoning, people. Please reason. Please. Media de bia make fair treatment. The way will be a babonting a can same bino. If Kennedy Japan also does the same thing, we need to hold him accountable. Send me a Sami Jenfi, a babonting be can sem. Now must say, hey, Sami Jenfi, provide proof. No, the proof, but must say, oh, proof no, you huni pakunu woman tia and try. At then a Kennedy Japan, the eba on no so. Not to say all those standards are more scrutinizing Grofono, no more to baby. As simple. And by saying this, I'm not saying Kennedy Japan is a bad man. It is that what Ghana for ebi mu o monti asamase. But let's continue. If we be di matem na mu ni am address mo. Mu ni na me address mo. Obi so your friend Michael was say massa stop fooling yourself. Kwasi edwan me da say Michael em say minim em say picture now there your way no minim say o girl ana o ma me a but anyway yeah can we be I will say odwan pan there. Anyway, that's another Obi so say all the story about Anas is true. We've seen evidence and people come out to talk. What about the Dubai videos too? Is it not true? It is very true about Anas and he should take the mask. We don't need it in Ghana. It is fair, you've made your point. Me Oba Bontina will make your point say it is clear and fair. Ati asie. Oba Bontina will make your point devoid of insult. Now we'll check we and I'm going to say yes. Me say asem na akwa pie wo court na eye asem ben eye galamsey insensem video na Kennedy Japan a video of asase bia ana insio bia asay. And what did Kennedy Japan say? Was say Anas na asay no. The only question I'm asking is what show say Anas na asay no? Kennedy Japan didn't prove that. We be a friend Al Frankie Sobaya was say you the presenter whether you support Anas or Ewusi or the thief. A Japan always have proof. Keep on taking money from JM Mohammed Slut. Think before you speak. If Ken was collaborative with that crook Ewusi, why would Ken attack Ewusi and accuse him for being a wanted man in UK? These kinds of journalism is only done by bogus corrupted to be di matema se me magiska ewo mahama ho enyahwe Majiska wa mahama ho enyahwe Anas ye ka se wajiska wa mahama ho Manase Azori ye se wajiska wa mahama ho Kwame A+ ye se wajiska wa mahama ho ye friend say ho abiom Kelvin Taylor ye se wajiska wa mahama ho ende me nso majiska wa mahama ho no problem na sa ekowusi asema wo ka no me matrew se Ghana ni bi afreme if you are brochi atreme se sa ekowusi no UK hono wo ye wanted inti wa wo ka sa asena na before Kennedy Japan try de beto abonte say ekowusi wo ye wanted man e wo UK no na ye me ya frame am me say information no so I know that. But why is it that Kennedy mo de once I say no kasa pisa na akoda na edidi atem. Don't worry, you can tag me as MPP as far as as NDC. You can tag me as NDC. You can tag me as what? Me channel way so in Grofoba. Say you support MPP. Obi Soba was you support NDC. So I'm used to this. Obi say stupid man, stop what you are doing. And also near man will be Eka. Obi say Massa, you guys believe this Melodies TV? All his information can't he? Okay, I say all his informations are lies. Can't he show us video or the letter he's reading? Massa, check your facts before publishing it. Into no nipaku we Eka. Say mentre video ana letter mi read a etrese ekowusi ne kre woko court letter no na eda wenim no bo hwa letter ne da wenim o say notice of terms of settlement wo behu say ya trotron nsem wo na wo read a wo behu ne say yes ekowusi the ensem ahyehye embra or the pen ato krata so assign atro say ne krebo twantro eto anaso nti mo amu bisa for evidence no the evidence is right in front of you. That is the evidence of ekowusi ensem a wo court ekokan nti no mesra ade ne de yes asem bia ye kan udo obi ne ye kan semboni afa ne ho a ya but aside that no for wadwen eto ho na dwen asem ne ho ansa na waba abonten abekasa mo kire mo adwen comment box ni mo se wo bedi matem e wo video we mu a me ba be reply o me da ase.